I don't know if you want to talk about I don't know if you want me to drop the P word, but you know, like just, you know, Poland is like such a, like, you know, Poland is such a, like, it's such an incredibly frustrating song for any other artist because nobody's that free of a thinker. Yeah. So ultimately you end up being like, damn, why didn't I think of that? Or whatever it is, why didn't I like get that high? Why aren't I that artistically free? Yeah. Whatever it was, you start convincing yourself that he must have been high as fuck when he made that. Maybe not though.
Yeah, that's some people say.
Yeah, he must have been twisted when he made that. But I'm around him every night. I've never seen him like out of body type shit. So, well, yes I have. You've done like acid and shit.
But he's not just doing it like that.
No, but yeah, it's just like I think he's just broken through something where he's just trying shit and none of it's bad.
Yeah.
That's the best. That's the best like way I could describe it. It's just like, you know, it's the exact moment that Wayne did I Feel Like Dying. Yeah. Do you know what song that is?
Before his time.
Yeah. There's a Lil Wayne song called